Welcome to the Yamaguchiya and to the very top of Mount Fuji, 3,776 meters above sea level. It is located at the very summit of the mountain and can be accessed by any trail. It takes about 8 to 9 hours to reach the hut from both the Yoshida and Subashiri 5th station. Let the staff know when you arrive and they can check you in. Check-in is in between 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. Please arrive before 7 p.m. because after that the staff will close and lock the doors and you will no longer be able to enter. In order to check in, give the staff the name that the reservation was made under, your address and telephone number. After checking in, the staff will show you where you are sleeping for the night, in the dormitories located inside of the hut. Please take your shoes off before entering the dormitories. Lights out is at 7 p.m. At the Yamaguchiya, futon, sleeping bag and pillow are all provided. Toilets are free for guests staying the night and are located at the back of the hut. There is a bin for toilet paper and sanitary products if necessary. You can purchase souvenirs, drinks and even hot sake at the shop located in front of the hut from 4 a.m. until 2 p.m. Some hikers purchase a souvenir stick called gongo-zue, which you can get stamped at some stations. You can get your summit stamp at the shrine located 30 meters from the hut between the hours of 4 a.m. until 4 p.m. You can't reserve dinner in advance, but guests staying the night can order a curry from the canteen inside of the hut for an additional 1,000 yen until 6 p.m. A vegetarian curry is available on request. There is also a restaurant that operates from 4 a.m. until 2 p.m. where you can purchase breakfast or lunch after watching the sunrise. As you're already on the summit, you can see a great sunrise right from your doorstep. Just make sure to check out by 6 a.m.